Sensational strawberry rhubarb pie with frozen fruit is a flavorful blend of juicy strawberries and tart rhubarb in a flaky bottom crust. The sweetness of the juicy strawberries balances out the bitterness of the rhubarb. A rhubarb looks like pink celery. Its stalk forms with the leaves on its end. Also, it is not edible when raw because it is usually cooked down and sweetened. That is why both strawberry and rhubarb works perfectly together. It is a delicious and healthy dessert that everyone will love, especially this summer. What you will need. Ingredients for the pie. 9-inch pie crust. 4 cups rhubarb. 2 cups medium fresh or frozen strawberries, stemmed, quartered. 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. 1 teaspoon of lemon zest. 3/4 cup granulated sugar. 1/4 cup tapioca. 1/4 teaspoon kosher salt. Ingredients for the crumb topping. 3/4 cup all-purpose flour. 1/3 cup packed brown sugar. 3 tablespoons granulated sugar. 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. 1/8 teaspoon salt. 6 tablespoons of cold unsalted butter. Ingredients for serving. Ice cream. Step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Preheat oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius. Place the rack in the middle position, then line a rimmed baking sheet with foil. Step 2. Take your 9-inch pie plate, roll out the pie crust, trim the edge in half. Then refrigerate while preparing the filling and topping. Step 3. Get into your mixing bowl, then add the rhubarb and strawberries with lemon juice, orange zest, sugar, tapioca, and salt until the mixture starts to liquefy and syrupy. Set aside for 10 minutes. Put the filling into the crust and spread it out evenly. Step 4. Now for the crumb topping. Grab your mixing bowl and add the flour, brown sugar, granulated sugar, cinnamon, and salt. Incorporate the butter with your bare hands until it clumps. Use a pastry brush to add a thin layer of egg white or cream over the top of the pie if you want a nice glacé. Step 5. Afterward, add the strawberry rhubarb mixture into the pie shell, then sprinkle with crumb topping. Place pie on the prepared baking sheet. Step 6. Next, place the pie in the oven and bake it for 20 minutes. Reduce heat to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and bake an additional 40 to 50 minutes longer until topping has browned and crust is lightly browned. Step 7. Serve cold. The filling will thicken and set as it cools. Slice and serve with the ice cream of choice. Tips and tricks. It is preferable to use fresh rhubarb and strawberries. If you only have the frozen ones, no need to thaw as long as you drain the excess water. Do not cut it before it is entirely cool to avoid a runny and watery pie, since the pie filling requires plenty of time to cool down so it can thicken and be set up appropriately. Also, the pie filling can be blended then frozen for as long as 3 months, so before using it, it is best to thaw overnight in the refrigerator. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.